ako sa pronunciation ko. Cassie? Cassie? What would you say? Happy birthday, Ollie. And followed by Ma'am Peachy. Muna po yung hello, son. Alright, hi ma'am. Birthday wish o birthday message lang po para po kay Ate Ollie.
Okay, maganda po ang lahat dahil 2 paragraphs ito. Sorry. Okay, ayan po. Happy birthday, Ollie. My wish for you is to grow strong, healthy, smart, and of course, pretty. Ano po? Happy birthday again.
Ayan. Ayan. Okay, come here.
Happy birthday, Ollie. Happy birthday, Ollie. Ollie. Happy birthday.
Okay, and followed by, because again, Ma'am Maika.
Ollie, happy birthday. Wish sa imo ni teacher. Sana maging healthy ka lang palagi. And miss ka na ng grade ko sa Yahoo. And then, sana happy ka ngayong araw kahit maalala na po. Happy birthday.
Alright, then.
Ollie, happy birthday. Thank you sa pag-invite. Stay magandahin ng palagi.
Ito ka lang muna po.